Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks retrieval. Verify you're logged in, email verified, and 2FA active. This prevents common rejections. Once done, check your eligibility criteria, level, prior purchases, or event windows because eligibility gates delivery. Then open the Spotlight Hub inside the app or client and locate the Claim Packs area. Make sure you have receipts, promo codes, or proof of purchase visible. You'll need them for the next steps. You now perform the core claiming actions precisely. Select the exact Spotlight pack name and quantity to avoid wrong deliveries because corrections take time. Upload required proof, screenshots or receipts, and ensure they meet file type and size limits. Validation happens automatically or by support. Next, follow on-screen prompts. Accept terms, set the delivery destination, and confirm, because this triggers server-side fulfillment. Note the estimated delivery time and any transaction ID for tracking. You finish by verifying the packs arrived where expected. Check your in-app inventory and email for timestamps and transaction ID. If packs are missing, collect evidence, order ID, screenshots, timestamps, and immediately open a support ticket citing those details because clear evidence speeds resolution. Meanwhile, try quick fixes, relog, clear cache, toggle network, or use a different device to rule out client-side issues. If support asks, provide the collected proof and expected versus actual results to expedite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.